Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this gentle energy, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Ace of Stars, Seven of Suns and the Burning Tower. So in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your personal life in this relationship. Maybe today you would have had some doubts on something, maybe something was confusing. But today you know the truth, you know the heart of that circumstance, what was the reason and what is the truth behind that circumstance. So you have a better understanding of your situation today. Something has come to clarity. So it may be some choice or some circumstance in your relationship or in your work situation. So you have clarity today regarding something or the truth behind something. And in your situation, guys, Cancers, maybe you are facing a lot of struggles, hurdles today. You are working hard, making a lot of efforts today. But you need to understand that all these struggles are necessary for a positive progress today in your situation. And you are in a better position than the people in your life, maybe in your work or in your personal life. Everyone has their own struggles, but you have a greater advantage because of the way things are going in your life today. And you are all that efforts that you made or all that struggles you are going through is helping you progress in a positive way in your situation. And today you are seeing some drastic changes, maybe in your work or in your personal life. Some changes, inevitable changes are happening. Though it may give you a lot of pain and worry in the beginning, these changes are necessary, guys, to take you towards that positive potential in life. So in work or in your relationship, whatever is not working for you, all that is leaving you. So all the negative things, unwanted things are leaving you and it is being replaced by something fresh, something new. And there are changes, positive changes happening in your life today. Maybe these changes may be drastic. These changes may give you a lot of worries, but it is something necessary for you today, guys, to progress in a positive way in your life today, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Abyss of Stars in reverse. So in your relationship, guys, maybe this person, you love them, you may have a level of understanding with this person, but this person is being really judgmental. They are judging you for each and everything, finding faults with you, and it is really irritating to be with this person. They are criticizing you for everything. So it is really stressful for you. You don't know what to do. You like them, but their attitude is giving you a lot of troubles, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is the Moon. So with this card in your situation, guys, in your work situation, you may have a lot of dreams, goals, aspirations, But whatever it is, simply dreaming is not enough. You have to make efforts and take concrete steps towards those dreams. So this card is a reminder that you have to go for actions instead of simply dreaming and enjoying in your dreams. So that is the reading with these cards. Cancers, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So if you have any doubts or confusions in your mind, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it's from nothing to everything. So that is the card for y'all, guys. So with this card, it just means that today in your situation, in order to receive something fresh, new and something great for you, something much better than your dreams or fantasies, you need to let go, maybe become empty. So we need space to receive something that is coming in our life, guys. This may mean letting go of the attachment you have towards your person in order to receive that genuine love that is coming towards you. And maybe you are holding on to your fantasy about a dream job, but today for that most soulful, passionate and successful occasion, you have to accept some guidance in your life today, guys. It just means that you need to take one day at a time, guys. Live one day at a time and maybe surrender the fantasy, dream or a story, whatever we have for ourselves, because reality is knocking at our door, and with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So what is the best? It will be better than our dreams or fantasies. So that is what is coming towards us. And maybe the dying of this dream or fantasy is really stressing us. It may be really painful, giving us a lot of grief. But dying to that attachment or the opinions we have, that is what is happening. And this is the time we can stop dreaming and start living. So that is what is unfolding in our life today, and we should not fear this process that is happening and embrace this process without expectation for future, and have trust in your heart that divine energy or God or universe, whatever you call it, is simply guiding you from fantasy into fulfillment, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what is the card. It says withdraw. So with this card, guys, in your situation, it just means that we need to see things differently. So maybe we need time alone, maybe. So withdrawing does not mean breakup or trying to avoid that situation. It just means that we need a temporary disengagement from that circumstance in order to get clarity. So, when we have time alone, that rest gives us time for a better clarity in our situation and inner wisdom to discern all facts. So, you need to be really what to say, if you want to be really clear about the way things are in your life and see things as it is for what it is in truth, you have to see it with a different perspective, see it as a third person. Only then you will be able to see your situation without being judgmental. Just observe your situation, allow thoughts to flow, and you will know what is the right thing or what is the right way to handle your situation, and you will have that guidance in your heart and insight into your circumstance, guys. So whatever problems you are facing today in this relationship, you need, if you want that inner wisdom, you have to take time to think alone, guys. So get that clarity. So that is the energy with this angel guidance card here for y'all, for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.